Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is a new update about the PES University Bangalore for 2026 college opening date, which I am covering here. So before that, for the students who are joining through KCET quota, these are the documents which are required for the joining, right? So CET admission order, 10+2 marks card original, right? And if the original is not issued by the college, the copy of 10+2 class marks card which is signed and sealed by the principal has to be produced. Your 10th class marks card original, transfer certificate, college leaving certificate, migration certificate if you are outside of PU board, and a copy of your Aadhaar card, copy of your PAN card of both parents and the candidates, and this is mandatory for opening the bank account. Then you also require tuition fee receipt, both original CET and college one, and 6 copies of each of passport color passport size and stamp size photographs. And if you are claiming any reservation categories, affidavits, caste income certificates, rural category, etc., all those certificates, study certificate, 2 self-attested photocopies of the documents, and foreign national candidates must also submit their valid passport and valid visa copy, right? So these are the documents required for KCET students, and for the similar set of documents, only the admission order is different for PES merit based JEE mains or PESU merit KCET quota, right? And then similar set of documents for management quota students as well. Now talking about the important dates. So as you understand, the first round of btech PESU KCET counseling is happening on August 16, 2026, and after that on September 5 is basically date for the orientation program for student admitted for btech program at the Ring Road campus. And following day, the next day, September 6, there will be orientation program for students admitted for btech at the Electronic City campus. So you can understand these are the 2 dates where the orientation programs are happening for these 2 campuses. And after that, September 7 is the date when the commencement of the session or the regular class activities is going to happen. So this is the overall calendar for PES University Bangalore, and this is the latest update available. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.